Cut on Lawn Care family. This is Darian coming to you this beautiful first day of the week, sunny day morning. We're doing lawn care maintenance today, and one of the things we're going to work on and talk to you about is when you do your lawn care maintenance, we're going to maintain some of the equipment such as the tires. We have a flat tire that we're going to be dealing with today, and my brother Mo over here, he's going to be working with me today as we maintain our equipment, because you are only as good as your equipment. So if your blades are not sharpened, you're up here pulling grass rather than cutting grass. You got plugs in people's yards, and eventually they're going to get tired of it and choose to get someone that can service their yard according to their visual way they imagine their yard looking, and they have no idea about what sharpened blades do and what non-sharpened blades do. Also, if your tires are not properly maintained, such as the air pressure balance, you got uneven cut yards. And like I said, people they go off of what they see. They don't understand what's required when it comes to maintaining your equipment. All they see is that something is not right about their yard. They can't quite put their finger on it, and they want to get someone that can do it according to how they visually think their yard should look. And the best way you're going to be able to keep those yards looking good is if you maintain your equipment. So like I said, sharpen blades, give you an even cut, is not putting plugs in people's yards, such as because of the uneven blades or their jagged edges on the blades. That's not giving you a clean cut. That is giving you a snag or a pull. Imagine a surgeon doing surgery with a jagged knife. He's not doing an even clean cut, and he's ripping and tearing the flesh. That's what a mower would do if those blades are not sharpened. Also, like I said, if your tires are not regulated or if they're not balanced, you're giving uneven cuts. And so today we're going to deal with a flat tire, because we have a flat tire right here. And this flat tire comes from the most the culprit is the lawnmower's enemy inside the yard. Nails, roofers' nails. Roofers' nails are all through most people's yards as they get their roofs done, and they stay there for years. People don't go through their yards trying to pull up nails, and so those nails lay there and somehow find the tires of your mower like a magnet. So today we're going to deal with getting the nails out of the tires, plugging the tires, and making sure that the lawnmower is balanced so that we can get a nice, smooth, even cut. I'm using this because if you don't have an impact, you definitely will want to have a cross wrench right here. We do have the impact drill, and you'll see me using that one on the other mower that has a flat to take that off. This one bolt, but I wanted to show you using the old handy cross wrench, right? Whatever, what this is called. For those who know what this is called, using this, because this is probably most people's car. Love wrench. That's right, a love wrench. All right, got this one off, and we're gonna go to the next one. Impact. we want to make sure that we put everything back the way that we found it, all the screws. So you make sure, because they got little pieces like this little washer fell off. It fell off of this on this side here. For those who change their tires on the car, they know that that little part right there will go on the inside when you put the screw back, and you'll see it on the other side over there too. When you do the other tires, you put those tires back. This has a piece right here that comes off. So make sure you kind of take it off and put it back on the way that you found it. So these go on the inside. And I'll put this here on top of that so that we can see that goes there like that. And we're all set to go on and change the tires. So we're good, Mo. You don't have to change that. We'll jack it up once we put it back. We're going to check the PSI to make sure that that's correct. And so Mo is going to fill those tires up right here. Right now, we just trying to find a hole, so we don't need to know what the PSI is right now. We just trying to put some pressure in there so it'll fizz out, and we'll put some holes in there. But once again, this is where you find your PSI, the amount of pressure you need. All right, so right here, what I'm going to do is go get us some water, and I'm going to put it in this wheelbarrow so we can carry this water over here because we got 2 tires we need to plug. Filling the wheelbarrow up. All right, we have our wheelbarrow full of water. It don't have to be a wheelbarrow, just a tub. Just for me, just as easy as just to go in and fill the wheelbarrow up and lug it over. So we get our wheelbarrow. Here. Wow, it's a very thin pinhole. Can't even really see it, but every morning when it's time to cut, I had to put some air in it. So you can like use some like Windex, things like that. That will help show you the bubble. Which I'm gonna grab some. There it is. See, it's sitting out there. Right here. See how it's filling that bubble up? Oh, right here. It's a very thin hole, so we still got to plug it anyway unless we want to keep filling this up every morning. That's our lessons for today, out here, family. And you're going to run into this. The best thing is to be observant, look for it. If you catch it, take care of it right away so that you don't have any broken seals and end up having to buy new tires. Cut on, quick cut on, lawn care family.